Hello, this is Benjamin Kwak, and today we are going to talk about the Azure Virtual Network Manager. So let's start. So the Virtual Network Manager is the place where we can manage the network. So the example topology is the hub and spoke, what we will implement today and test. So the idea is to create a VNet hub and two VNet spokes. We will create the 3 virtual machines in each virtual network, and we will check how does it work. So basically the idea is to check the connection between the VNet spoke 1, VNet spoke 2, and the VNet hub. I will make some scenarios, we'll make some tests, but yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, we are going to create a virtual networks. We'll create 3 virtual networks, as I said. So yeah, just make the name you want. But we need to check the IP addresses. So we'll leave it as it is right there. Right. Oh, we will create VNet spoke 1, but we need to make different Oh yeah, but we need to adjust the default also. Okay, it's done right now. Okay, we review and create. So it's 10.1, and the last VNet RP2. Just here also. Okay, now we can review and create. Now we are going to create a virtual network manager. Okay. Now we have the two features, the connectivity and security admin. We are going to choose both because previously it was impossible to change it later. I mean to add the second one. But the connectivity is the main feature. The security admin is just to make the configurations with different security features. Yeah, I will show it later on. So yeah, you need to have the role to see the scopes of the management groups. So yeah, you just choose the scope. You just choose the one subscription, and we can create. Okay, so the network manager created. Now we need to create the virtual machines. So just basically I will create the virtual machine, 3 virtual machines. M1, make the standard use match. Let's make it Okay, we don't need the inbound ports because we are going to do it through the portal. So don't worry about that. Okay. We forgot about the virtual network. Yeah, so let's make the first one in the spoke 1. Basic, none. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Yeah, and we need to do the same thing. Just make the 2 more virtual machines on the rest VNets. Okay, so we have the virtual machines. And the last one is being created. So right now we are going back to our virtual network manager and we will make the network group. So we'll name it spokes. Those are virtual networks. Yeah, and we have the few options here. So we can manually add members. So we can just add manually the VNets, which we will do because if you would like to do the Azure policy, which dynamically adds the virtual networks, it could take some time. So, for example, you could do the rule that every VNet that contains the name spoke, yeah, will be added to this group, yeah. But yeah, it will take some time, so we'll just add it manually. Oh. Okay. Okay, so we have the members here. Nextly, we'll do the configurations. Now you can see that we can choose the connectivity or security admin right here. But we'll just focus on the connectivity right now. The topology, we are choosing the hub and spoke. Yeah, so this is the mesh also, but that enable us to manage to connect to every VNet inside without the specific configurations like VPN or other gateways, but we will do just hub and spoke right now. So we are selecting the hub. We're adding the spokes network group. And yeah, we can see that we have the visualization there that was correct, and we can create. So now if the configuration is created, we need to go to the deployments and deploy this configuration. And the region will be just Europe. Deploy. Yeah, and we can see that it's correctly configured. Now from the virtual network hub, we can check the peerings and we can see that it's correctly paired with spoke 1 and spoke 2. So to test the connection, we need to create a network watcher inside the region. We want to test it, so I've created West Europe. Now we are going to the IP flow verify. We're choosing the VM1 and its network interface. We are testing the connection, so we'll do the HTTPS port. We need to get the private IP address from the VM. Yeah, so from the VM2, so that's from the spoke, the second spoke. We are inserting it here. Okay, and the 443. Let's check what will happen. And the access denied, so that's correct. Let's now check the hub VM. Access allowed, so now we need to think what to do to allow spokes talk to each other. It's very simple. We are going back to our network manager. We will create new connectivity configuration. We'll choose the hub and spoke again. Hub, our group with spokes, and we'll just click here, the direct connectivity, enable connectivity within network group. So in the visualization, we can see that direct connectivity is enabled. We'll create it. Oh, we could click that create and start deployment, but I clicked it too late. Okay. Let's deploy it manually. And in the network watcher, we can already configure the resources. HTTPS 10.204 is our virtual network from the spoke 2. And see that, so we can now check if it works. Yeah, access allowed, so it worked. Yeah, so that's the basic example. How does the network watcher work? To be honest, I created the network manager, not the virtual network manager. Yeah, that's something different, but it worked normally. So yeah, I couldn't find specific informations in the internet if those are any differences. Yeah, but mostly the information is about the virtual network manager. So yeah, that was the nice case scenario when we could check it. Yeah, but you can do it this way also. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and see you again next time.